Hey guys, welcome to Shopify app. In this video, we will go over on image compress feature. You can find it on site speed of sidebar here. Let's get started. Image compress is one of the best practices to improve the speed performance of your store. It reduces the amount of memory images take up, allowing them and other elements to load faster. To compress your images with Shopify, you just need to click the Compress button. The app will start the compression process and let you know when it's finished. We also provide you with a detailed report on which images have been compressed, as well as how much memory has been reduced after compression. In case you want to revert an image back to its initial state, you can hit the corresponding Restore button within each line. In case you want to restore all the images that have been compressed so far, simply click the Restore All button. That's all for now, seeing you soon in the next tutorial. If you have any other questions, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.